How to set Spotify song as ringtone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can set your Spotify song as your ringtone. So let's get started. First, open up your Spotify. After you open it up, just open up any songs that you want to hear. Now go to your library. You can choose your song from your library too. Simply open up the song and tap on the three dots on the top right. After you tap on it, you will see a lot of settings here. Now the one you want to go with is sleep timer. Now here you can set your timer, and yeah, that will basically set it as a ringtone for the timer period only. Now if you want to set it as a ringtone for your own mobile, what you'll need to do is you'll need to download the song, and to download the song you will need Spotify Premium. So after you download the song, you can simply head over to the song and you can set it as your ringtone. So it's that simple, guys. That is how you can set Spotify song as a ringtone. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and don't forget to subscribe to App Hack.